Hey everybody, it's Nicole from Cravings again, and we've got a brand new car seat to talk about today. Anyone ever talks to me about car seats, they will know very quickly that this is something that I'm pretty passionate about. I'm an SGI certified car seat technician along with at least one other girl here, and we are very passionate about car seat safety, proper usage, and so we get pretty excited when new car seats come our way. So this one's particularly exciting. We've been waiting on this for a little while. This is the Clek Liing. So the Clek brand has been around for quite a while, but this is their very first infant style seat that they've made. So this is kind of a big deal. So a lot of the kind of cool features and safety and all of that is in the base of the seat. And so I'm going to kind of run through that with you first. So true to Clek with their booster seats, their convertible seats, the majority of them have a rigid latch system. So that makes for a very secure, simple installation process. So this is the base here, and I'm just going to kind of show how this works. So you extend these out on the sides, and we've got a lovely seat here to demo with. So when you're installing with your lower anchors in a vehicle, it's going to be just right in between the seat length there. So you're basically going to line it up and click them in like that, and then you're going to basically push this back to secure it, just like that. I'm pushing my seat off there. Real car would be a little easier. So it's not, I cannot move this at all, and that's it. So you've got your nice tight installation, no putting a knee into it, no reefing on anything. Now the next thing you want to do is level it. So they've got a pretty unique leveling system in their base. So instead of a foot that you drop down on the front to kind of get the level with, it's actually right in the base like this. And so this piece here kind of glides along. So there's actually 7 different positions so that you can get the seat into that proper 40 to 45 degree angle. And so you're going to line it up. You probably can't see this, but there is a bubble leveler here, and it sort of indicates by weight of the baby where you need that to be. So it's super easy to level it. And if you are installing it with seat belts, say if you have to put it into the middle seating position in a vehicle, or you don't have a latch point, it's actually quite simple to do with seat belt as well. So it's got this sort of belt tensioning piece that opens up here, and you would just take the seat belt, lap and shoulder belt, feed it through here, do that up, and you just would get the slack out of the belt, not trying too terribly hard, and then snap that down. And so there's lots of indicators that go from red to green when everything's good. So once I snap that down, these indicators go to green. And then again, that's going to be a nice tight installation, super easy to do with seat belts as well, which is nice. Let's open that back up. Get that out of the way. And so then once you've got everything secured, leveled, you're good to go. So then seat obviously onto here, and it just snaps on. Here we go. So that's essentially how it goes. And then one other thing that's kind of cool is the release from the base is not up here like in most seats. There is a lever here, but this is actually to remove it from a car seat, adapters from a stroller. So if you have it onto a stroller, this is your easy release. To release it from the base, it's right here, just like that. And so the advantage to that is oftentimes when you have this in a vehicle, car seats rear facing are going to take up the majority of the space that you have between the back and the front seat. And so the back of the seat in front of you is often right pretty close up to the car seat here. So having to kind of jam your hand in here is kind of a pain. So it's nice that you can just bring it down below here to release it. So that's really nice. So then the seat itself, true Clek fashion, they've got really nice fabrics. There's coming in 3 options. We only have 1 fabric option so far. These are just the first that we've gotten. So this is the chrome. It's like a really soft, jersey knit fabric. Nice canopy here that's actually SPF 100, which is crazy. So it's going to protect baby from the sun. You also have the option to extend the canopy down a little bit too. It's block light from baby's eyes. So that's pretty cool. Bring that back out of the way. Handlebar, adjusting, super easy to do. Everything here, loosening and tightening the straps, all of that. Very simple. You've got a small infant insert here that you would only use to about 11 pounds, but this is going to provide good posture for baby, get them a nice, snug, secure fit when they're really little, newborns. And then this piece is your additional sort of rigid head support and side impact protection. That's going to be around the head the whole time they're in this seat. You can install this without the base if you need to, but the obviously it's safer to do it with the base and easier to do, but if you were traveling or something like that, or you didn't have the base with you, it is possible to put this in without the base. Now, one thing that I forgot to point out to start with, but I can do that right now. I'm going to bring the base back here, open this up. One of the nicest features here, it has a load leg. And so I'm a little high up to be able to show you kind of how this looks exactly, but bring this down. So when this is in the vehicle, this is going to go down to the floor. And so the point of a load leg is to limit that initial impact motion. So in that forward motion of that initial impact is going to kind of want to throw the seat this way. So that low leg is going to brace against the floor and limit crash motion by about 40%. So it actually really stabilizes the seat nicely. So it's really easy just to anchor that load leg down. And there's actually another indicator there. So when it's flush, it'll go from red to green, indicating to you when you've got that load leg in the proper position. So there are very few seats on the market in Canada that have that. Clek's, I think, only the second one. So that's really awesome. And one of the other reasons we love Clek is they are a Canadian company. All of their products made in Canada. So I think pretty sure they're the only ones. So it's a great brand, great to support a local company. And they've got some pretty innovative, safe seats on the market for you. So this is the Clek Liing, and we've got it at Cravings. If you want to come and check it out anytime, feel free. We've got a couple in stock for you right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great weekend.